In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse anonymously on Reddit. Protecting your privacy online is crucial, and one effective way to ensure your browsing habits aren't tracked is by using your browser's incognito mode. This simple, straightforward method allows you to enjoy Reddit without leaving a trace on your device. Let's get started. The most straightforward way to browse anonymously on Reddit is through your browser's incognito mode. Now, you might be wondering what incognito mode actually does. In essence, when you switch to this mode, your browser won't save your browsing history, cookies, or site data, which means your online activities aren't logged on your device. It's a handy tool to have when you're looking to keep your session private. First things first, you need to open a new incognito window. This process might vary slightly depending on the browser you're using, but the general idea remains the same. If you're using Google Chrome, look for the three vertical dots, often called the ellipses, located in the top right corner of your browser window. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu. From there, simply select New Incognito Window. And just like that, you're in incognito mode. For those using Firefox, you'll follow a very similar process. Click the menu button, which looks like three horizontal lines, also situated at the top right corner of your browser. From the drop-down, choose New Private Window. If you're on Safari, it's quite straightforward as well. Just go to the File menu and select New Private Window. Whatever browser you're using, this option is most likely sitting somewhere in your menu bar or settings, so don't worry. You're just a few clicks away from securing your anonymity. Once your new incognito or private window is up and running, you'll see a dark-themed browser window, often with some text highlighting what incognito mode does and does not offer in terms of privacy. Now, all you need to do is type reddit.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you directly to Reddit's homepage. You can explore the various threads, communities, and posts Reddit has to offer without your activities being saved on your computer. It's worth noting, though, that while incognito mode prevents others who use your device from seeing your browsing history, it doesn't hide your activity from websites or your internet service provider. So, while it's a great step for local privacy, those seeking complete anonymity might also consider using a VPN. And that's it. A simple, effective way to browse Reddit without leaving a footprint on your device. Give it a try and enjoy the perks of private browsing today.